All right, y'all. So, car's in the air. So as y'all can see, last night the exhaust fell. So now I put a ratchet strap up there to just hold it from falling, since the muffler is not here. So yeah, I put the hoosers on so it'd be easier for him to put it on the lift. So yeah, we about to head to the muffler shop. Oh, but I'll report back to y'all in a second. I'm about to put the muffler back here. Well, the full exhaust system basically back here. So, but I'm about to put the GoPros on the back of the car to get a couple sound clips real fast, and we'll go from there. So, see, we got the exhaust on the back. We're about to head to the muffler shop and get that put on to there so it won't be tippling. Do a little burnout real quick. Just tried to kill me and Jazz, but I'm happy that she's a really dang good driver, because yeah, people just not looking. But yeah, so somebody cut, car in front of me slowed down, and then a car jumped in front of them and slowed down, and Jazz was merging, and then she caught it, and then yeah, so okay, maybe not so much. All right, well, I'll talk to y'all in a sec. Girl, if you don't get out.
I'm trying. Alright.
How was it driving it like that?
It was fun.
Yeah, but it's probably gonna be like when I had the SOPs. I got over it real quick.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me cut this extra thing, bro. Surprised you ain't got no mask on.
I don't have one.
Come on. That's fine.
I'm gonna go in there.
What's up, brother? Yeah, so we need that off and this, because it's got a slip on. So it should be able to just slip on. The stock size exhaust should be able to just slip on because it's a reduction on the exhaust setup. So this, well, hopefully, once you get it in the air, you'll see it.
So you want this put on?
Yes.
Okay.
So I guess just measure it, because like literally it should be able to just clamp on. Because when you look underneath it, oh no, you're gonna cut it.
Gotcha.
But it has a spot where it's like this long, and you can just slide it into it, just kind of like any other exhaust.
Is it made? Is the pipe you have on there made to fit this?
Here, you want to look real quick? What up, y'all? So now we just ate. He did the car. So my dumb butt forgot the clamp, so he asked me, and he ended up welding it because I guess he already had it in the air, and maybe he had the car behind it. So he already did it. So he welded it. The good news is there is a clamp right there, right above the little brace where I had the ratchet straps at, that I can pull a whole piece apart. So push come to shove, we could just put some cutouts on it, and I don't know. But so we right here around the corner. It's like right over there. But yeah, we about to go pick up the car and see what it sounds like. What you think it's gonna sound like? I don't think it's gonna be like as quiet as you think it's gonna be.
I don't want it as quiet as it was without.
Yeah, but it's gonna be like a perfect medium now. Alright, well, y'all be first to hear it. So, well, other than us, we're gonna hear it before y'all, but you know what I mean. See y'all in a sec. Alright, well, they got it done. So it is done. So let me go in here, pay for it real quick, and we'll get back to y'all. All right, be right back.